Blues captain Xavier Rush. Divine emerges with Spencer running across field. Now pops it into a hole. Rupeni Caucaunibuca. Oh, he's away!
Yeah, nice bit of deception it was from Carlos in the inside backs. Just gave him a little bit of space. Beat the tackle of Aaron Major firstly with strength really, and then Ben Blair with ease with the foot there.
Divine back. Now Rupeni going to have to weigh on off. Straight past him. Straight past him and Major.
That was unbelievable. He had no room to move. He's up against one of the best teams, provincial sides in the world, and he just blasted them to bits. That's freakish.
Gibson, Spencer, Rupeni Caucaunibuca. Ray's done it again. 3 for the night.
The strength is just incredible, isn't it? So difficult that close to the line with a man that strong.